I made a self-driving AI robot from scratch and gave it its first real-world mission.
I have found the man with the laptop.
For the past 7 years, I've been building different kinds of software systems, and I really love it. But lately, I've wanted to create something tangible, something that exists outside my laptop. So I'm starting a robotics series. In each episode, I will improve the robot, give it a new mission, and learn as I go. And for episode 1, I built a self-driving AI cart. First, it needed a body. I designed the chassis, the motor, and the camera mounts in FreeCAD, then 3D printed all the parts and assembled them into a small platform. Next, I implemented simple motor controls so it can move forward, backward, and turn left or right. Then I provided those controls as callable actions for a VLLM, so it can decide which way to move and for how long to reach a goal. For the brain, I use Gemini. And finally, I added a camera, so after every move, it can see what changed, update its understanding of the environment, and pick the next action. And having that, it was ready for its first mission.
I'm looking for a man with a laptop. Currently, I'm under or near a table and chairs. I need to move out from under the furniture and scan the room to locate the person. I can see a side table and a sofa, but no person with a laptop yet. I'll continue scanning the room to the right. To the right, there is a dark, blurry shape that could potentially be a person. I have found the man with the laptop. On the laptop lid, I can see 3 stickers. A circular one on the top left, a rectangular one that says Institute for Contemporary Kebabs, and a large central sticker of a white ghost-like character with a red grid pattern and a smiley face. The goal is achieved.
I really love the creative side of building things like this. And now that I have a working platform, I'm going to keep improving it, learn more about robotics, and document everything in the next videos.
Awaiting new mission. See you next episode.